In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the "your connection is unstable" error on FaceTime, specifically for those using iOS 18. If you've encountered this frustrating issue, you're not alone, and thankfully there are several steps you can take to resolve it. So let's dive right in and get your FaceTime back up and running smoothly. First and foremost, it's crucial to check your internet connection. This may seem like a no-brainer, but ensuring you're connected to a stable internet source is key to resolving most connectivity issues. Take a moment to verify that you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi or cellular network. If you're on Wi-Fi, make sure you're close to your router to avoid any signal strength issues. If you're facing problems exclusively over Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data and see if that makes a difference. Conversely, if you're experiencing trouble while on mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi for a more stable connection. This quick toggle between network types can sometimes clear up any lingering network issues. Next, let's ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Apple frequently rolls out updates that fix bugs and improve overall functionality, including any potential gremlins affecting FaceTime connectivity. To check for available updates, head over to Settings, tap on General, and then select Software Update. If an update is available, go ahead and install it. This might just be the solution you need. If updating doesn't help, you might want to try turning FaceTime off and on again. To do this, go to Settings, scroll to Apps, and find FaceTime. Toggle FaceTime off, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This small reset can resolve minor glitches and refresh the app's connection to Apple's servers. When basic troubleshooting isn't enough, consider resetting your network settings. Navigate to Settings, then General, and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset and then Reset Network Settings. Be aware that this action will erase your saved Wi-Fi passwords, so you'll need to re-enter those afterward. This step essentially provides a clean slate for your network configuration. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. Try restarting your device. This can often resolve temporary glitches by clearing the system's memory and initializing fresh processes. Lastly, it's worth checking Apple's system status page to see if FaceTime is experiencing any server-side issues. If there's a problem on Apple's end, you might just need to wait until it's resolved. By following these steps, you should be well prepared to tackle any instability issues with FaceTime. Thanks for watching, and feel free to share your experiences or questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.